is a Mercedes AMG V8 with twin turbos. So this car is also, it was made in 2010, this particular version. They have made a new one though. You see, that's the interior. The interior is magnificent. I particularly like the fans. There's a little screen over there, but this car is amazing, even though it has barely any boot space, as you can see. The SLS AMG-GT is an awesome car. It also happens to have a retractable spoiler. These ducts, those over there, they channel air through there, down, and it comes out there, goes into there, and will act as air intakes for the engine. For some reason, AMG decided to make one on that side, even though it didn't need it. So only this one is an actual working one. The other one is just like a decoy to make it look cool. Anyway, this car is very, very special. It's amazing, as you can see. On the steering wheel is different from other AMGs because the shape on an AMG, or should I say this bit, the whole thing here, is usually on every other AMG car, all that is silver, but on this one it's black. So also the central console, amazing, because you see it's automatic, 8-speed. This is called a golden door. They go up like wings, like a gull. Get it? So, AMG badge. This we focus on the Aventador. You see, this one had its engine, like many other supercars, in the back, and it's got steel bars covering it. It's a V12. Usually they're naturally aspirated, but this one is also twin turbo, so that's amazing. Carbon fiber panels, which is optional. This is an air intake, so you see this sucks air in through here, both of them. So no decoys on this one. Both of them sucks air through the tube and it goes into the engine for maximum fuel injection. The doors are not gull-wing doors, but they are butterfly doors on this particular one. That is also optional. On the normal Aventador, it would just go out like a normal car, but on this one, it goes up, called butterfly doors. Also, the rims are very special. They are made of pure carbon fiber, and so are the brake pads. The lights are LEDs. This car's 2017, I think. Top speed 217 miles per hour, just like the year, and 0-60 is in 2.8 seconds with this beast. Now for the interior. Oh, first, sorry, the main feature of the car, the huge air vent here. Even though you cannot see it, if you look, like, if you somehow had the ability to hover, you would be able to see that there is a pipe, a huge pipe. Two huge pipes go in and they plug directly to the engine for maximum fuel. Of course, just so put the fuel in. Glug. Anyway, the red little thing you pull is the handbrake, emergency stop. So unlike the AMG GT, what it does have, it's just very, very, very small. It has clutch pads. So you see, this is how you change gear. So if you wanted to change gear up, push it. Change gear down, push it. And also this whole dashboard is made of carbon fiber. Usually it would be made of felt, the top over there. But of course this owner decided not to. There's a cup holder over here and a charger. It's an amazing car, really. This one has no roof. I think it's a Targa. It's got no roof, even though I think they put the bit of the roof in the bonnet down there, but you can put the roof on if you want, just for, like, of course, to cover it. If you want it to be just covered, like, you want no wind in your face. You don't want it to be like super fast. But if you want, and it's a sunny day, take it off, put it in the front boot, drive like that, which I personally think is the coolest. Because, like, who doesn't want to drive like that? Who? It's also got carbon fibre plating with the car's name, Aventador. Oops. Thanks for watching.